Why am I so... I'm not this white in real life, right? No, I'm definitely not. What? Why do I look so white? Yeah, this is better. Good morning, guys. Look where I'm at. Look where I'm at. I'm at Duncan. Yeah. It's the first day of school. First day back from break. I'm not ready. The line is moving like super duper slow and I'm like, so here's my backpack. And then my jacket. I have a horn, right? But it's just a horn case. Just a horn case. And then a tenor. My horn is on the floor because my mouthpiece is stuck and I can't close the case. Because my mouthpiece is stuck in the horn. I ordered my medium iced coffee with a buttload of sugar. But today, it was like cash only. So like, that's, oh my gosh, I'm up. Guys, I'm up. Hey. This ankle's weird.
I'll get you a straw too. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Thank you.
Here's a straw.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You as well. This is not my coffee, but I don't care. I really don't care. Oh my gosh, there's no way for me to get out. Where's the sticker thing? Hold on. Well, it doesn't say, so. Wow. But I'll see you guys when I get to school.
I'm ready, let's graduate. I'm ready, let's go.
All right.
The only good thing about today is that it's a national championship.
So, even though this is the first day, you normally would say, hey, let's do the syllabus and all that. What I want to point out is we have two characters, right? A little girl and what else?
Her grandma.
Granny! Grandmother! Oh my God, who predicted that? Who would have thought? Keep going. I've never heard this story before. Keep going. Oh, here's another archetype. The huntsman. I'll draw huntsman. Let's see. He'll have a triangular hat with a feather in it. You know what?
No. YouTube. Yeah.
Oh God, YouTube.
At this point, I was having the worst day I think ever. But this is me driving home. But yeah, this is today's update. Today's school update. Yeah.
Someone tell me I should.
Look at that.
So first we're gonna fix.
All right. So number one, if you haven't already done so, please get your Instagram.
We're vlogging for Rivas' channel. Rivas' channel.
I just need someone to tell me shoot, so. I can't touch
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Long story short.
What is up? What's up, Bob? Dare we do some work? Yes, I'm using the computer. I don't have the server.
Anybody having trouble building a scale? Most of y'all are band kids, so.
What if I'm a band kid and I'm sure?
Mon, are you good?
I got the chords right. Let's go, Gabe. It's Mr. Jeeves in his vlog.
I am not. Welcome to class.
Okay. What scale are we doing?
G. Oh. G. Right? G. So
Right?
I just did this.
Hey, no, you're doing it right. Oh,
I just did this one. For the fifth. I knew this.
F sharp, F sharp, F sharp again. Daniel's an F curve and F sharp.
B, D, D, F sharp, A. Yeah.
Boom.
You're doing it faster than I am.
because I'm using the piano.
I wonder. No one helped me or anything. You know.
F sharp, F sharp, F sharp again. Daniel's never heard of an F sharp.
I know nothing about music. I know nothing. I know how to play an instrument. I just can't. Like.
Oh, look at my cat.
Look at that.
Look at my cat though.
Okay. This is my last day in here.
Are you serious?
No, I'm.
I think 5.
New class with perm.
No. Yes, I can feel it.
Sir E. This is human anatomy.
I need to stand up. I'm about to.
Okay, predictions on this afternoon.
The tornado's about to cross into the hallways of the school. Sarah E is gonna be literally vlogging. Tornado. I'm gonna be in the.
Prediction.
I'm gonna get blown away on the road.
I feel like today we're gonna it's gonna be an actual tornado, and we're gonna be stuck in here.
There's gonna be a clip. There's gonna be a clip of Sarah E.
Be a clip of Sarah E.
being a weather girl.
Ray on the job. Looks pretty cloudy there, intern.
Hello. These are Daniel's last moment before he gets blown away.
What? Whoa. Guys, hold up. Tornado. Look at everyone running away. School dismissed early. Everyone. Lily's here. What are your predictions for in the next 2 hours? Tornado. School is gone. Just in case I die.
Daniel. Hey, babe. Hey, what's going on, baby?
Is this a video?
Yeah, it's a video.
It's a video. This is my car. This is not a good song. This is Daniel.
Hey guys.
Right, this is our disc car right here. We're in a tornado watch, but look, they just chilling up there. But we chilling down here, right? We like that. We about that.
We are.
And yeah, I got this for Christmas. Got this thing for Christmas. It's kind of nice. I got the same phone actually. Got the same phone as you.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Oh yeah, cause it broke.
Yeah, actually.
That was really
my
fun.
last one. Guys, just watching this. Oh, he's not. Oh,
He's coming. He's coming. Who are you recording?
I don't know. I'm just recording of you. And then I got.
Look at this dude.
Hey ho. Oh, and then I got. Hold up. I got this too. This is all the drum line. Annie, how's it going? Doing good? Doing good?
Tornado's literally happening right
Tornadoes happen while they're up there, which is absolutely insane.
Look what the tornado drug in.
I texted my manager. I was like, we can't come in. The tornado. Our house is gone, swept up. I think. Carrie Underwood.
Carrie Underwood.
Hold up.
I don't know what. Carrie Underwood is not.
Okay. Oh, what? Just that. This is so the circle.
Super Denny.
Yes.
And Thomas.
Great.
Hey guys.
Little one. Bring me little one.
It's a magic wand. Ready? Ready.
Damn.
It's because he makes me feel like heavy contact, eye contact.
Who's in the car? Is Tabber neck?
Tessa almost just hit someone.
Tabba?
She said, I almost hit a pedestrian.
Why would you do that?
She had Google Eyes for someone. And
Is that like me? Why are you like recording like my foot?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. Okay, what are your predictions for the next hour?
Next hour?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are we gonna die?
I hope not.
Okay, what about you?
I hope the school blows up.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Guys, no school, literally.
In the Tabmobile.
In the Tabmobile? Yeah.
But like, ick.
Long story short.
Here's your medium, other medium ice.
Real quick. Alright, cool.
Wow.